Are you curious about how many calories are in a tablespoon of chia seeds? Look no further. In this article, we'll delve into the nutritional benefits of chia seeds, as well as provide you with low-calorie chia seed recipes. Chia seeds calories. How many calories are in a tablespoon of chia seeds? Chia seeds are a superfood that has gained popularity in recent years. These tiny seeds pack a powerful nutritional punch, and they are a great addition to any healthy diet. Not only are they low in calories, but they are also high in fiber, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids. So, let's answer the question you came here for. How many calories are in 1 tablespoon of chia seeds? 1 tablespoon of chia seeds contains approximately 60 calories. While this may seem like a lot for such a small amount, keep in mind that chia seeds are also incredibly nutrient-dense. Low-calorie chia seed recipes. Recipe 1, chia seed pudding. Recipe 2, chia seed smoothie. Recipe 3, chia seed energy bites. Discover in description of the video the complete article on our blog with preparations of the recipes.
Don't forget to claim below the video in the description your online course about brain reboot, lose fat like crazy. It is not a strict diet, hard to keep, but a 7-step brain reboot. It's like a washing pressure for our insides, and we keep it fun and easy to apply. 1 video per day for 7 days to change forever your habits and reach the body shape that reflects your inner personality, provides you confidence, and makes you proud of yourself.